Okay, it's a little chilly outside. Even in the Toronto area where it's like 14 degrees, it feels like fall. And so we are going to dress up fall. We've got everything that green thumbs are looking for in their garden this year, but we're going to set you up for success. So we have our gardening expert, Antonio Valente, here because we're talking fall planters.
Fall planters.
Okay, so what exactly is a fall planter other than something we plant in fall?
Yeah, a fall planter, I think, is just a way of embracing the best of the season, putting it together in like a beautiful vignette and really sort of celebrating the season, because I don't know about you, but saying goodbye to summer is like so hard for me.
It is.
So this is a way of kind of just embracing the season.
And these are all real hardy plants.
Yeah.
They want their time to shine.
Yeah, these are
Okay.
plants that are going to do really well with cooler temperatures.
Amazing. So what do we have here? What are we doing for our planters?
Okay, so get creative with the container that you're going to be planting in. You're going to be planting in a recycled wine crate.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
I love that.
Yeah, and I'm planting in a galvanized bucket, and you can get stuff like this at like the dollar store now, believe
Really?
it or not. Yeah.
For like $1.
Yeah.
Throw some drainage holes in the bottom, I imagine.
Yes, you're
And
going to
then-
want to add drainage holes in the bottom of these.
Okay, and then you toss your dirt in, and then we start building. So what are we using?
Okay, yeah,
for
so today
plants?
we're using some of my favorites. So we've got mums.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Gone are the day when mums only came in like highlighter yellow.
I know the stores that only have like the bright yellow, the bright orange. These are much more appealing.
Softer, appealing colors. Yeah, then we've got some cabbage, and these will intensify in color as the temperatures cool down.
Cool.
And then we have some filler flowers. We've got some heather and some asters.
Okay, and then
Yep.
how do these do, Antonio? Once it starts getting a little frosty, how do they do?
Everything here will be fine.
Really?
Yeah, everything here is fine with cooler temperatures.
So these are perfect for people like me who forget to protect the garden.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Is that-
Okay.
Okay, should we begin?
Yeah, let's do
Okay,
this.
so I like to start with my focal plants first. So we're gonna start with this. This is the fountain grass.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna be working asymmetrically. So I'm gonna plant mine in the corner, but you could plant yours in the center if you like. Totally up to you.
No, I'm doing exactly what you're doing because
Okay,
I've gone
okay.
rogue before, Antonio, and it never looks as good as I think it's gonna look. What do I do
Okay.
with all these lovely roots? Do
Okay,
they
the
need
roots-
to go right in?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So you can just lay that right on top.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect, excellent. Okay, then I think we're gonna take our cabbage.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna pop these out. I'm gonna add some cabbage just,
Right over by it. Okay.
yeah, right
Move my
by
dirt out of the
it,
way.
kind of coming out to the side.
Which one do I pick? This one?
That one, yeah, that one there I have for you. Actually, I have two cabbage for you. One there and then one on the other side of
Okay.
you. We're gonna use both of them.
Ooh, I like the name of this. Pigeon purple.
Oh yeah.
That's
Awesome names.
And the cabbage are nice. The leaves are so thick.
They're
You just
so
know that
pretty.
it's gonna be okay.
Yeah. And as the temperatures cool down, like I said, these are gonna really come into their own. Their colors are gonna really pop. Put that there, okay.
Antonio, do you need to factor in when you're looking at like how much sun these plants like?
Okay, yes, that's a really good point, Kels. You're gonna wanna combine plants that all require the same conditions. Don't combine shade-loving plants with plants that love the sun.
Okay, fair. Because
Okay.
they still, even though they're fall, even though they're hardy, they're still going to be a little picky.
Yeah, consider
About
where
that.
you're putting them. Like your
Okay.
front porch might be in the sun or it could be in the shade.
Okay, fair enough. What about mums? What do mums like?
Mums are full sun.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Although they can
know
take a
that.
little bit of shade. I mean, you don't have to be too picky with them. They're pretty easy to grow, but you can do that. Okay, so then I'm gonna fill in with some heathers in the front. So I'm just gonna pop these in. I'm gonna be filling in the holes in the front here.
Oh, in the front. Okay, so I'm putting
Yeah.
my mums in the back, is what you're telling me.
Yes, yeah, mums in the back, and then you're gonna fill in with some of these asters.
Probably
here.
makes sense because they're tall.
Because they're taller.
Just like your class photo, they gotta go in the back. Okay,
Okay. Right.
one of these. Can I steal that guy?
Yes, if you prefer that,
Thank
you
you.
can add that. And then the last thing you're gonna wanna add in is some trailers. You kind of always want something sort of
Okay.
trailing out. So I've got some ivy here. And then once we've got this in here, I'm doing this backwards.
Okay, take this in.
Okay. And then I always like to add in a few little bits of details, like cute little things. So I have here for us some gourds.
Oh my gosh!
Adorbs,
No,
right?
I love it.
Loves it.
That's so
okay, so I'm gonna
cute.
insert this into the front.
Ah!
Okay. And I've put a little dowel on it so it stays in place.
Do I just pop this guy like right in the front?
Yeah, pop it right in the front, have it trail over the side. And
Okay.
if you want to grab your gourd. And then I also have some rose hips, some really festive looking rose hips. You can even add those.
These are so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Just for a
You're
little bit of
making us
height.
Pinterest worthy right now.
Texture. How's that?
Where do I stick this guy? Just like
Yeah,
pop
yeah,
it
right
in?
on the side, have it trailing out the side.
'Kay.
Give you a little bit of interest.
What-
Kels, that looks so good.
Does it actually? Because we don't have a monitor up here, so I can't
I know,
actually
we can't
see.
really see.
You know at home. Does
That
it look
looks
okay?
so awesome. I love it. We can even add some of the here. We'll fill in
Okay,
with some
we're
of
gonna fill in the
these.
sides. We're gonna keep working on this.
Okay, yeah.
Antonio, thank you so much for being
Thanks,
here today.
Kels. Always a
Getting us
pleasure.
Into the festive season when it's a little bit cold outside, but
Yeah.
warming up the front porch.
Beautiful.
Love it. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.